you're too shy to try the onsen, you know, you can still get like a spa experience with your stay here by going outside to this pretty like foot bath garden where you walk around in the water, and it's kind of supposed to be therapy, which I really need because I have been walking around Tokyo so much and it hurts so much. Jules is the same. Let's go. Go this way. Oh. It's a nice one.
Oh, no!
It's not.
It hurts. No, this is the scary one.
Oh no.
There's big bumpy rocks underneath that are supposed to be good for you, but
It's not good for you.
the hot water is
Oh no. Is it really nasty? I'm not going on that one. So that wasn't nice.
It's no, it's weird because the hot water was really nice,
Yeah.
and then you start walking on the stone.
Oh, I really don't want to go in there. Oh, there you can see all the stones.
It's so funny.
Yeah, people just laugh. Oh no.
I can see why this is free.
So that hurt, but luckily you're also allowed to just like sit and, you know, enjoy hot water. So beep, 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 beep. Jules, are you relaxed? Yeah. Good. We've had like people, like a bunch of guys walking past going like, die, because it hurts so much. That was definitely me as soon as I started walking. But like they start like with kind of big rocks you can avoid. It's like a challenge because like the further you walk, the rocks get smaller and harder to avoid, like more dense, so like until you're walking on nothing but these big bumpy rocks, and it hurts so much. It's supposed to like massage you or help with your circulation, I think, but it's more like let's just be in pain. Like if you're a masochist, you will enjoy this wonderful walk in the pebbles. Jiraiya-chan, ganbatte ne. She's on like a different path. I wonder if it's easier or she's just made of steel. Is this one easy? Okay, no fair. Now you have to try the hard one. Over there. Let's just go to the hard one. I warned you! I warned you! She's not trying again, is she? Is she trying again? So this part, that part's really nice. It's like walking in a normal river. They're really fun. Nice, relaxing.
Is it?
Yeah, because they're like big pebbles, and if you walk in a river, it's normally big pebbles.
I think you're just secretly a kelpie.
Oh no, I've been found out. Oh, you're gonna get to the torture one soon. It's really painful. Have fun. I told you. Oh no. It's so sore. Really painful. It's worse than the other one. Oh gosh. Oh, proper mermaid.